is here. Our prince is here. You are welcome home. You are welcome home.
Igwe.
I can say that.
I greet you.
No. No, not for my son. His name is Oh, I know this one.
Okay.
Yes.
That's it. 360.
The doctor.
Oh no.
His medical student.
My king. My queen. My queen.
And your princess.
My prince.
She's a medical student. She's not. You know, medical students with their foot. Yeah. She's cold.
Her skin color is
Igwe. My prince.
She's cut everything.
yeah, she's dark, but she's short. We are short in the family. We're all tall.
Oh, the journalist.
Okay.
Her father is one of the...
This one has flat ears. Flat ears.
This cut is 13 number 1.
No, she just looked... There's something about that that I don't like.
Why is she taking her eyes? Oh no.
Give me my prince.
This one is terrible spread.
You know, village girls, they eat like gums.
Too much of that. Lady in red.
I like the way she works.
Someone.
My princess.
Thank you.
My queen.
Oh.
My king. Yes.
I like her because she acknowledged me.
This one was psychedelic.
Oh, that is looking at her.
No.
I think he loves... No. Believe me, I think he loves peace. Believe me. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Okay, that's my girl right there, brother.
Oh, who's a friend?
Okay, walk it, girl. Walk it, girl.
You don't know your brother, make his choice.
Mom, she's beautiful.
What
He's
is
so
all over you?
Okay.
She's going to talk to you.
Hi, Nouah.
Alright.
Hi, my queen. Igwe. My prince. Hello, Prince Charming.
That's it, girl. That's it, girl. Walk it, walk it, walk it, walk it. That's it. She's my girlfriend.
I know.
Para de cuál? Crian. What? kwenu. Rienu. Kwenu. Today is indeed a great day. Oh no.
My king.
My chief.
You go ahead.
The great people of Amanato Kingdom.
You go ahead.
I greet you all.
I greet you, Igwe.
Today is indeed a great day. As a matter of fact, it is one of my happiest days in life. And the reason for that is not far-fetched. We are here to welcome my son, the Prince Afamefula, the singular heir to my throne, the lion heart of Amanato Kingdom. My son.
Father.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome. My son. As you can see, we have just little drinks on the table. And the reason is that the celebration will be taking place in the conference room of the palace. Now, let me just give you a tip of the iceberg. We are going to eat, we are going to drink. In fact, as for the eating, it's going to be buffet for everybody. I'm sure you are surprised that the various dance groups that we had at the village square are not here. Again, the reason is not far-fetched. They are waiting for us at the conference room. My son, I'm going to burst your bubble. We are not just having traditional dancers to perform. We've also invited some English musicians that will perform, you know, the kind of music that those of you that sojourn in the white man's country do enjoy. So as we welcome my son from his studies and subsequent sojourn abroad, we are going to marry, we are going to eat, we are going to drink. I am very sure that you are putting on your dancing shoes because your ego is going to dance today. Thank you very much. So you are welcome. Let us bed. Happy birthday for what? Amanato kwenu? Yes. I greet you all.
Are you serious? So after all my makeup and seductive smile, the prince was just looking the other way.
Hey, my dear, yours was even better. He practically snubbed me. Like he was busy pressing his phone. Chai! Atala mafufu. As if we didn't go there for him to notice us.
Sorry. But you know what? You were the person that made me buy this idea. You know me now, You know me, I was not interested. Did you see the other lady? Hi, she was looking so beautiful. Hi! I know the prince will pick her. I know.
Biko. Let us just go home. That is not even my concern at all. The fact is that we've lost in everything.
No. I'll not follow you. Hey, see my drinks, so. I am going to my father's house with my drinks.
Oh, Macama.
Now you lose, though. I'm not lose.
I'm fine. There's no problem, ma. I should be leaving the palace now. Well, the prince has his reasons, so I don't need to question his decisions. Okay, Mom. Yeah. Whosoever he thinks is okay for him, he can go with the person. He has his choice, and the choice is his. There's no need for that, Mom. You don't need to call the queen. I'm okay, I'm fine. Yeah. See you soon, Mom. I'll be on my way. Bye.
Mercy, this kind has never been heard nor seen in this kingdom.
What are you saying? Our king, indeed. You know him? He's a man that likes enjoyment. Imagine the assorted drinks and different kinds of foods and entertainment there. Something
All
else.
because of the arrival of the prince. This have not been heard of in this kingdom. Never. You're right, Mercy. I wish I could stay till the end. Oh. But let me go home and rest. Because today has been a hectic day for me. I know this my waist pain has started again. At least my wife can massage me with hot water. So I can walk tomorrow.
You have spoken well. Let us go. But at least we have had enough. But the one thing is, the drink has refused to finish.
Oh.
But we have enough of takeaway with us. And look at it, very heavy.
Come, Mazi,
so let's go.
Mazi, do you think the youth will leave that place today? Do you think they will leave there? They will drink themselves to stupor.
Don't worry.
Let me ask you a question. If it were to be in your youth age, will you ever go home?
Do you call it youth today? Are we still youth? This is their own time. It's their own time. Let them enjoy the taste. This is heavy. After all, you have enjoyed. Allow them to enjoy.
My prince, allow me to formally introduce myself to you.
Your name is Chinedu here. My personal assistant. I know that already.
One more thing, my prince.
And what would that be?
I am to make sure that you lack nothing in this palace. I am assigned to follow you anywhere you go. Even if you are going to hell, I will follow you.
What? Even if?
I mean heaven or hell. You see, my prince, I just want you to understand the importance of my duty as a special advisor.
I see. Thank you. But I'm sure that we can have this conversation tomorrow. I'm really tired. My head aches.
Oh, your head is aching?
Yes.
Oh, my prince, I have rub. Abonigi.
What is that?
It is called rub. Like I will massage it on your head and all your body. The harshness will arrest all the weaker bones.
That's okay. Yeah, that's okay, Chinedu. I came home with my medications, so before I sleep, I'll take it. I'll be fine. I promise you.
Okay. In case you still want to catch some fun, we have clubs in town. Strippers and Rosgears clubs too. If we go there, you see all these Imsu and Esud girls, you will see all of them. Trust me, you will like it.
Is that so?
Oh yes, oh yes.
Well, unfortunately, I don't club. However, thanks for the advert.
Okay.
But what I would need now is for you to tell the music people to stop playing. My head is banging. I need to. It's been a long day.
Okay, okay.
Has it not been a long day?
Yes, yeah.
It's been a long day.
Okay, trust me, I will do just that. You can have some rest. Okay.
The prince is here. Our prince is here.
My king, I pray Afamefuna finds Anita worthy of being his wife. You know that she's a good girl, but I wouldn't know what would be our son's decision over her. What do you say?
Yes. How is that your business? I mean, he's a grown-up man. And he has the right, he reserves the right to decide on the kind of woman he wants to marry. If he's cool with that girl, fine. But one thing for sure is that I will not decide for him as to the kind of woman he should marry. So, can we sleep now?
But you can't.
Oh, I said it's enough. Let me sleep. What is it?
Sorry. Hi.
Why is it that you don't at least tap on the door before you step in? You just walked in without even knocking. Why would you do that?
Because there's nothing to hide. Are you hiding anything from me? I'm not sure.
Alright, it's time for me to retire for the day. I was just about to hit the bed before you showed up.
Oh, yeah.
I'm tired. Please.
I can understand the hectic day you had, okay? I'm sure a good massage will help.
What?
Yeah, let me...
No. I'll be fine. You know, yeah, I'll just sleep off. I'll sleep it off. Yeah, I'll be okay. Really? Yes, please. Don't do that.
He smells good. What a birdie. Anyways, let me repay you for choosing me. Indeed, you have good eyes for a beautiful girl like me. Let me take care of you.
Whoa. Repay me how? You know what? I don't think that would be necessary. Okay. But what's your name again?
Yes. My name is Anita. I am the only daughter of the Commissioner for Transportation in the state. And you are the only son. That makes you heir apparent to the throne of Amanato Kingdom. We're just two perfect for each other.
Can you stop running your fingers through my body, please? I know you might not like this, you might find it unpleasant to hear, but I have to say.
Oh, sweetheart. Go ahead, tell me. You like me so much.
I want to sleep. Oh. I want to sleep.
Oh, you want to sleep?
Yeah.
That's fine. Let me allow you and help you catch a good sleep.
Alone in my room. Anita, right? Listen, I'm trying to be civil here. Please don't stop touching me, please.
Okay. My door is next to yours. In case you get bored at midnight, you can just knock and I will be right here. Okay?
Yeah. Thank you for understanding. Thank you very much. That belongs to you, I believe. Thank you. Good night. Good night.
Yes. Good night.
Yes, good night.
Oh! I'll see you tomorrow. Right?
Possibly.
Yeah, indeed. Oh, one more thing.
What?
Okay.
Don't do it.
I understand you're shy, but don't worry. We'll get to do this more often. Good night, baby.
What is going on with this car? I thought I put water on it. The temperature is rising. And this is a lonely road. How can I get water now? Get water around here. Hi. Let me try. Is anybody here? Who is here?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sorry, we are just resuming. Food is not ready yet.
Actually, I'm not here for food. My name is Henry Douglas. My car broke down along the road here, and please, can you help me with water to top?
Okay. It's no problem, sir. I understand. Let me get you water.
Okay.
I don't know if this will be enough to top your car.
This is more than enough. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You can return the gallon when next you're passing by.
Okay, I will do that. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, drive safe.
Okay, bye.
All right, sir. Madam, I'm here.
I thought I heard you talking to someone.
Oh, yes. A man was here. He said he needed water to top his car, so I assisted him.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
please, come and go to the market. We're almost running late. Eh? And tell Musa to pick those things I bought from Mama Ekene and bring them to the shop for me, please.
All right, ma.
Please, another thing is, don't forget to tell Noso that my customers are complaining about the small meat he's cutting for us. Eh? And those meats are actually small. Even if I'm not the one buying the meat, I should be able to know. Please.
All right, ma.
If he's not ready to cut them bigger, go to Chigozie and buy better meat.
Oh, okay, ma. Let me quickly hurry up. Let me get my bag first.
Please, go fast and come back. We're preparing white soup and vegetable soup today. I don't know. You'll be cutting me small, as if it's chewing gum. He will lose customers and his eyes will clear.
I'm ready to go.
Okay. I'll take.
Okay, ma. I'll be back soon.
Please run up fast.
All right.
What kind of meat is that? Even if I'm not buying it, at least I should be comfortable when my customers are comfortable.
Just, I don't know what to say to you.
My son.
Dad.
How was your night?
It was fine. It was fine.
Your first night in the palace.
Yeah. First night in the palace. After you all stressed me out last night with an elaborate. Was that really necessary?
Yeah.
It was necessary.
Please don't say that again.
But it was stressful.
You've been away from this kingdom, from this country, and you're coming back. You expect us not to welcome you well? No. it was really needed, you know.
By stressing me out, just tiring.
I'm so sorry, my prince. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
Are you sure?
Thank you.
Oh,
Anita.
Anita? My queen. You're not eating? No. I wanted something nice, like pizza, chicken soup, chicken sausage, something nice.
For breakfast?
Not this, yeah, something more befitting. Not this, actually. Are you?
I thought I told you to ask my friend what she wants for breakfast.
I did, my princess. So? Excuse me? What gave you the guts? What gave you the rights to lie before me, you fool? Why? My princess, I did. As a matter of fact, she placed that in my hair. I ticked it.
Okay, let me see.
Oh, my princess, she must be lying. Anita. I'm sure she wrote something different. I can't... these maidens, these cheap girls, they don't listen properly. They lie a whole lot. My queen, just look at it.
It's all right. It's all right. Ogochukwu.
Your Majesty.
Go and prepare a new order, okay?
Okay, Your Majesty. Oh, my king. She insulted me. She lied. She deserves to be punished heavily.
It's all right. It's all right.
I'm sorry.
Apologies. Anita.
My goodness. What?
I've been thinking
lately.
What other product, to come up with in my father's company, especially now that I'm around and involved. Do you happen to have any ideas?
No idea at all.
None at all?
Yeah.
You told me that you studied, business management in Houston.
Yeah, sure. And I graduated as one of the best students in the department.
Wow, that is very good.
You can say that again.
And you still have no idea? No business idea?
No, not at all. But, sweetheart, why do you want to start up a business of your own when you can actually sit at home and enjoy your father's wealth?
Okay, so you're of the opinion that a young man who's got a rich father should not bother digging his own gold mine and just, relax and, live off the father's wealth, right?
Exactly. As for me, all I do is sit at home and enjoy my father's wealth. Whenever I need anything, I'll just give him a call and he will just send me the money in millions of naira into my account and I just go shopping. I swear, you don't even need any stress at all. You know why?
Why?
Because you are a king in making. That's it. Oh. So, oh my God, that's a new fashion. I'm still going to rock this very soon. So,
baby, madam nabi, amale chama every man's choice. Imani de musa. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love, love, I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love.
Hi.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. I don't know your name, but can you remember me?
Yes, sir, I remember. You were the one that came to the shop this morning demanding for water, right?
Wow, yes. And I guess you are going to your shop?
Yes, my madam's shop.
Okay, hop in, let me drop you.
No, sir, I'm close to the shop already.
No, I don't mind. See, you helped me this morning. This is an opportunity for me to help you back.
Sir, I don't smell good. I have been walking under the sun.
I am not talking about that. enter, let me take you. I don't want you to say no, please.
All right, sir.
I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. She's a blessing in disguise. When you look deeply, you will know. It's written all over her. Oh, her price is more than ruby. She's a vicious woman, a wife material. She's a vicious woman, searching for true love. But she said, I don't want classic in fashion. Not at all. The prince is here. Our prince is here. You are welcome home. You are welcome home. You are welcome home.
Hi, baby. That's where you've been. I've searched for you everywhere in the house. What are you doing? So what's someone doing? I guess you're tired. Let me take care of you.
Don't do that. What is it? What are you doing?
I don't understand, okay? Come over to the bed.
Stop it. Stop. Don't do this.
What are you trying to do? Come on. You chose me amongst the women. So why are you acting like you don't want me?
Anita, you know what baffles me about you the most? How you freely defy the laws of privacy in this royal home. See how you're dressed. You bounce into my room. Not once, not twice. It's not the first time you're doing this. And then you pounce on me and you start making moves. You need to begin to learn how to respect yourself and respect my privacy.
Privacy. In here? Sweetheart. You know what? We're meant to be together. And I'm your future wife. So let's make things happen. Let's have some fun.
Can you stop touching me, Oliver? Take your hands off me. Take your hands off me. Is that what you call fun? Huh? Sex?
Yes.
Sex by married people? Is that what you call fun?
But it's normal. People do that.
I'm not people. I am different. I am royalty. It is not normal. It is wrong. Anita, have you forgotten that I am a prince? And the sanctity of this royal home must be upheld at all times and not sacrificed on the altar of casual sex by unmarried partners. I am an African man. And I still have my dignity intact. Don't push me. Come on. Get. Take your very tasty sex urge out of my room.
I understand you're tired, so I'll help you. Calm down.
She doesn't listen.
Why, you can have me right here.
Stop
okay,
touching
baby?
me. I hope you know that if my father finds out that you're here doing this with me, you be thrown out of this palace.
Come on, stop it. Lies. I mean, lies. See all this you just said? They are all lies. Your father? You know what? My father made your own father who he is today. The contracts, the businesses, and everything. I am so aware of it. So you can scare me with your father. Let's do it, baby. You enjoy it.
I see. So marry you is payback, huh?
Maybe.
I wouldn't want the guards to ask you out of my room. I would hope that you have enough respect for yourself. And leave now.
I should leave?
Anita, should I call the guards?
Understand that your decision is affecting me, my child. How can I be fine when things are going this way? Yes. The worst part of it all is that you and your father does not see the risk you're engaging yourselves into. Look, my dear, I know you are fine. And I don't pray you don't find what you seek. Yes. All right. I hope you guys are fine. Okay, dear. One more thing, darling. Please, always pick your call. Because whenever you skip your call, that sends fear into my spine. Okay? Okay, darling. All right, dear. Take care. I love you. Bye.
See, I am the most happiest person on the planet Earth. Had they been that Chelsea lost that trophy? Arsenal fans and Man U fans, they for don't chop us roll.
Now, guy, yeah, I did not even believe that Chelsea will win this match. People are like you.
See, guy, me self, I get to bet my life for that match. Say Chelsea go win. See, as I dey like this, I dey happy. The money I don't make, it they give me joy. See, guy, they hungry. If Naya. My baby girl! See, I go chop until I belly full. I talk, guys, see us. That's sharp.
Yeah, okay. How many times have I warned you to stop calling me your baby? Do I look like your child?
Ifu, calm down. You know, not only my baby could feed, they serve me food chop.
As I big rich like this, I be your baby. Who they breastfeed me? Because Oga Jude, what do you want?
How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning.
Do you have fufu?
Oga Jude, there's fufu now. Which soup do you want?
You know how it used to every us. Just garnish it for us, okay?
No, I will. Oga, assistant coach in the Chelsea. What do you want?
I want to eat.
Please be fast. You know I don't have time.
See, calm down now, But not the rush word come on my mouth now.
Please, don't mind this guy. You hear me, so please bring the sentence, okay? This guy is a beggar. He has no choice. Anything you bring, he must eat. Beg and wear choice.
No problem. Let me get it.
Okay, thank you.
What's happening now?
Look at me, okay? Look at me. Leave this guy alone.
See,
guy, see, Chelsea, I was surprised.
Yeah, forget Chelsea. If not final,
I was happy again.
You know, say I did.
Shut up.
Beggar, this love, it dey pain.
You do like woman, I can see.
If not, I like. I'm not sure any other person give you. Calm down.
Because idiot. See here, just here. The next match to come here, Chelsea will lose. Yes.
You're not talk this kind.
I said they will lose.
I'm a Chelsea fan, guy. See, we sabi all the strategy they take to score the goal.
Okay, Tinego.
You want to calm down.
Next thing they will lose. Hey, I swear, next thing they will lose.
Chelsea is winning.
They will lose.
And now we go win, and now we get. They beat. Okay, calm down now. Hey, what's happen?
Let's see. We have to talk as man to man.
This hand they use carry block. More smith. Now you they use the hit me. Guy, calm down.
You don't like
fear Jesus.
Leave woman alone. If you want to grow.
See him.
I just see yourself. I just see your life. Eh?
I don't do now. They make person wash and chop this food. You don't make this. I don't do this.
It's okay.
Because what do I give you? Water or beer?
Bring water for us. Water.
Ask me now. Berita go drink.
There go. Bring water for us.
I want you.
You want who?
Be going.
You're a madman.
Go, Waka.
Since when did you turn to my...
Oh, God, you talk with your food. You fool. That's serious. It was sweet.
And I've got some if you cook. I'm not joking.
If you baby.
Hey, shh. I'm not I will chocolate first.
Don't you do the man.
Let me cook this food.
You can cook.
I'm going to eat this food. Because now my if na you cook. But this soup goes sweet.
So back to business here. Next year, Chelsea must lose.
So they come down, they chop food with my cake. But let's see if nice of you. Oh boy, chop, I go buy extra, go buy more for you.
I almost exhausted all my day here. Oh, if you cook very well. I must tell you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Oh, here you come again. See, cut this sour thing. My name is Henry Douglas.
All right, sir. Mr. Henry.
Fair enough. So, how much is my money?
It's 700 nairas. Sorry, it's 700, Mr. Henry.
Okay. Yeah, have this.
I'm sorry. I said your money is 700 naira, not 3,000 naira.
I know.
So I'm sorry. I can't accept more than that.
Don't worry now. It's me that is giving this to you. There's no harm in it. I'm giving you. I have it. That's why I'm giving it to you. So take it, okay?
My decision is not to take money from people. I'm just saying this in case of next time. I won't compromise.
Oh, wait a minute. You speak so brilliant. What are you doing in the buka here? I can easily get you a job in any company of your choice.
Thank you very much, Sabotai. I have to go inside now. I have soup on the fire.
Okay, no problem. Let me start going. Thank you.
All right, sir.
Have a nice day.
You too, sir.
Dad.
Son?
You know you lied to me.
I knew you were going to find out.
Is that so?
What are the two of you talking about?
Dad lied to me that he has stopped going to the doctors for treatment. That he has stopped taking his medications. You see?
It was all part of the game plan. I knew Alfred was going to tell you. The truth of the matter is that we wanted you home so bad, and we just have to fashion on something.
But son, can't you see how happy and healthy your father is looking upon your return? Dr. Alfred said that his high blood pressure has reduced to normal. So, isn't that a good news?
Oh, it's good news. But did you have to lie? That you had to lie?
It's a white lie.
Son, you can see that it's not just about the medication. You know, it's about being in the presence of someone you love so much and you miss. You understand what I mean?
Dad, you're going to make my brother feel very special right now. I might know your angel again.
Of course you are. I mean, nobody can beat you to that.
Mom, say something.
It's still my little one. My sunshine. Thank you, Mommy. Someone tell us.
Son?
Yes, Dad.
We'll be waiting on you to talk about the girl you handpicked during your arrival ceremony.
That one. I'm still on it, Dad.
Still on it. How long will it take you to be on it?
As long as it takes, Dad. You would agree with me that marriage is not something that you rush into. So, but I'm taking that. This is Italian. Oh, French. It's really nice, Dad. Right?
This your diversionary method will not work. Oh, no. I mean, my drink is still in here before you topped it. Yeah?
I'm not deflecting that. I'm just asking that you give me a little more time.
Look, son, we want you to get married as soon as possible. You and I know that time is no longer on your side. Wow. No, I mean, you are not getting any younger. Yes. So, and on top of that, you know very well that you cannot be crowned king without a queen by your side. Don't you?
I know, Dad.
My prince, you sent for me.
Oh, yes, I sent what you said.
No. My prince, as a matter of fact, I love to stand. It's one of my hobbies.
Well, that's fair enough. But I want you to sit.
My prince, my king will behead me if he finds out that I'm sitting on the same bed with you.
Chuku does, yeah.
My prince.
What's your position again?
I am a special advisor, special aid and special helper.
Special aid, and that means that I give the orders around here and you follow suit and not the other way around. Am I right?
Yes, my prince.
Good, so when I ask you to sit, I need you to sit. I don't want you flouting my orders, so please sit. Huh? Sit.
Hey.
That's good. Chidozie.
My prince.
I called you in here because I want to have a heart-to-heart with you.
Okay, my prince.
Anita.
Okay.
Do you think she's someone I should marry?
Hey.
Do you think that she's a wife material?
My prince, is this a trap?
It's not a trap, Chidozie. It's a conversation of a lifetime with your prince, one that would endear you to him even more and win you some trust. So I need you to settle down. Talk to me without fear.
Okay, my prince. My prince.
We don't have all day. Huh? Let's get to it.
It's all right. My prince. In fact, you see that girl Aneta. Don't marry her. Don't marry her. Yes. Oh yes, don't marry her. My prince. That girl. If I tell you where she do place her eyes, every time travel, shop in Dubai, Abuja, Turkey, Afghanistan, Mumbai, Dubai. My prince, that girl will finish you. In fact, as a matter of fact, if anything should go wrong, but God forbid, that girl will leave you and abandon this marriage. She will not be good for you.
I hear you. You may have a point, you know.
Oh, okay, and yes, and I have another point too.
No, talk to me. Because you know, I'm really confused. You remember that I picked her that day because I did not want to embarrass my sister at my welcome reception. So you know, I just had to play to the gallery, and I had to pick someone. So I picked her. So if you have something to tell me, go ahead and talk to me. That's why you're here.
My prince, embarrass her. I mean, embarrass that girl. My prince, let us go to IMSU. You see, those fine girls, you will go there and pick one loyal girl. And let me tell you, once you tell her that you are the prince of Amanato Kingdom, she will forever cherish you until she dies. Not that one that her father is the commissioner for road and transport. That one. The blood of traveling by road, air and by water has entered her body. You can imagine. A commissioner's daughter. And you want her to stay one place? No. It is not done. It's not possible. It's not possible.
I see. Chidozie.
My prince.
Thank you. I'll process this and I'll get back to you.
Okay, my prince.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay.
Let me rest.
Okay, my prince. Are we going to IMSU later?
What?
I mean, their female students are too beautiful. Those over the girls and the Unisi Koka. Oh, my prince, if you see these girls, they are too beautiful, and too beautiful. In fact, let me tell you, instead of them to bow down before you, you will be the one to bow down before them. I'm telling you. As a matter of fact, I have a friend in the campus. If you are doubting me, I will call him on the phone and put it on loudspeaker so that you will hear everything. And once we march and enter that school, my prince, they will just line up, this first 11, like football players. They will just march for you. You make your choice. I'm telling you, my prince.
Dozie?
My prince.
Thanks for the advice.
Okay.
An advertisement, if I might add. So that's okay. Like I said, I'm going to process all of this. And I'll let you know, please.
Okay.
If you'll be kind enough to just let me be for now, I'll appreciate it. So please, that way.
Okay, my prince. Okay, my prince. Do have a lovely rest, Okay.
The prince is here. Our prince is here.
Chidozie.
Yes, Mama.
Chidozie, how can you advise the prince not to marry again? He practically handpicked on his arrival to the ceremony.
Mama, I am only doing my job. Am I not a special head and advisor?
Dozie, don't you think that you are misleading the prince? What if he tells the king?
Mama, he will not. The prince gave me his words. Mama, the truth is that the girl is a turn-off for me and the prince. Oh yes, she's a turn-off for me and the prince.
Are you the one marrying her?
Just because you don't like this girl. That's why you're painting her black.
No. That is where you are getting it wrong, Mama. I did not paint her bad. No, I did not. I just said her lifestyle to the prince. This girl, she's always talking about traveling here, traveling there. Shop in Dubai, shop in Mumbai, Tripoli, Afghanistan. Heaven and hell, she goes there to buy things. Let me tell you, Mama, one day, she will buy the whole of this kingdom and we will become her items. You will see it. You can feel okay, make it now.
Akara nti, monogi, ebu bisi, ya nansi iselula. You better keep this opinion secret, children say. Don't say I did not warn you. Do not say I did not warn you. Try to not put you in trouble.
Mama, nothing will happen to me. Yeah? Well, I said let me come and see you. I'll be going back to the palace.
No,
greet Papa for me when he returns.
Don't say come and eat. The food is almost gone. Let me go and get your food.
Mama, I would have loved to eat, but you've made me lose appetite. Eh?
Don't say one.
My regards to Papa. Oh?
Don't say.
Mama. Aha.
Okay, now if you don't want to eat.
My daughter. Ma, I've been seeing this rich, handsome young man coming around you recently. From the look of things, he's not just coming for the food we cook. I'm sure he's coming for something. Sometimes he gives you money you take, sometimes you reject. Has he said anything to you?
Madam.
Stop this madam thing. Okay? Call me your mother. Let me be that mother that you don't have again. Let me be the parents you don't have. Please. I beg you. I want to be your mother. You know I have a beautiful daughter like you. Okay? So tell me something.
Well, he hasn't said anything to me. But truthfully, I wouldn't want him to say anything to me. I don't know, but I have a feeling it will make me start staying away from him.
Do you like him?
Yes, but as a person and an esteemed customer, that's all.
It's okay. You just have to be careful about these men. Sometimes they have their wives, girlfriends, children abroad, studying. Yet they go about looking for young girls to come and warm their bed. So just be careful, okay?
Okay, Mama. Thank you.
Welcome.
Mama, how did you know you used to give me money and I reject? You're never there. How did you see it?
I'm an adult. What I see is sitting down here. You will not see it standing.
Mama.